Alright, here's a little short video. I'm going to go over how to SmartStream through the Ford sync system. Alright, so if we take a look here, it's going to let us know about our hotspot. Alright, so we'll go to our settings menu, look for your Wi-Fi settings. There we go, hotspot there. Now, our directions say download the Ford Play app from the mobile devices app store and then connect to the wireless network. So I'm gonna pause for a second and resume. All right, now that we've found our Ford Play app, we're just gonna install here. Gonna take a little minute and we'll be right back. All right, and while this app is finishing loading, I do want to reference the Ford Pass app also. Very user-friendly, very easy to work with, and gives you all the pertinent information you want and kind of saves the extra that you don't. Alright, so we're going to accept these terms and conditions. Who reads, right? Alright, so now I'm going to SmartStream, okay? And you have your different options. You can even use the remote control, which is right here. Alright. Use this remote control right here. It's awesome. So let's SmartStream. Alright. One moment, I'm gonna come back over here, turn my Wi-Fi on, connect to this hotspot here. Alright, now that we've connected to the vehicle hotspot, okay, now we can go back here to our Ford Play app. Click on SmartStream. Alright, let this load up. Any minute now. Sidebar. The app works awesome. Go up. Ooh, fast charge. Fast charge mode on. That's what I want to do. Can I mirror? I don't think I can mirror with just the USB. Alright, so once you set up Ford Play, connect your phone to the vehicle's Wi-Fi. Alright, then the vehicle will automatically detect the app connected to the system, and you can go into information, hit your Smack Over Family, or whatever your phone may be called. Alright, and it's going to load up all my videos and everything, and we're going to go here and find a goodie. Here we go. Loads up pretty fast. Bam, bam. Look at this guy. What is this guy doing? Thinks he's cool. This is pause, and that's the stop button. Stop it. Okay. Simple as that. It does work off of compatible videos, but almost all videos in your phone are going to be compatible. Alright, any questions? Send me a message.